Ready to transform your plain Tableau bar charts into clear and compelling data stories? Let's start with a basic bar chart. I am using sample Superstore data here to plot sales by category. Drag category to columns and sales to rows. Tableau automatically creates our bar chart. See how it's a little hard to quickly grasp the exact sales figures for each category? Let's fix that by adding labels. The easiest way to add labels is to simply drag the sales field from the measures pane directly onto the label shelf in the marks card. Boom. Now we have sales values on each bar. But these labels are a little messy. Let's customize them. Click on the label shelf. Here, you can adjust the alignment to position the labels above the bars. Under alignment, change the horizontal alignment to center and the vertical alignment to top. Much better. Now the sales figures are clearly displayed above each bar, making the chart much easier to understand. Experiment with different formatting options like font size, color, and even adding prefixes or suffixes to the labels to make your data even more impactful. Customize the font settings by choosing a font, and make sure the font size is not too big, but is visible. You can also format the number to display cursive or the thousand separator. This is under the label number. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized labels on top of your bar charts in Tableau. Now you can create more engaging and informative visualizations.